Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Tino and this is Today with Tino. Today I have been called for a special makeup tutorial thing, or someone is going to be experimenting on my face. Basically, that's what I'm saying. So I have offered to be that guinea pig or that guinea human. It's pretty exciting. So right now I am going to Arundel Village, where I am going to be getting the makeup done. It is going to be at Volt Cosmetics. I have never been there, but I am pretty excited. I heard that these guys are like pretty good with what they do. It is raining like crazy. At least now it has stopped, but it's raining and I do not want to mess up my hair and I do not want to mess up my face either. So I hope it won't be raining as soon as I get out of this car and as soon as I'm done as well. Those are the Arundel shops. Yay! We are here. I'm so excited. Yay! Look at this pretty face for the last time. So I'm supposed to go up those stairs. Oh, nice. Thank you. Yeah. I don't know Chindimo here. Okay, Takwira ayo. Yeah. Oh, okay. Ooh, nice. This place is beautiful. Hi. How are you? Oh, good. Wow, this is nice. Thank you. This place is gorgeous. There's my makeup artist. Okay, so she just said that my eyebrows need to be threaded. I'm so scared of being threaded because last time I got threaded, I almost cried. The pain was just too much. It was like engraved in my soul. So I just hope this time around it will be a different experience. I didn't get threaded here, by the way, but somewhere else. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. I opened your threading yet, you. Shame. Shame. Because I don't understand the concept of how to use thread to remove hair, guys.
People thread because it takes longer for the hair to grow back out.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's more of a long term.
So isn't it better to wax?
You can, I mean, if you're about that.
If you're what?
If you're about that life, then yes.
No. Maybe stop at any point, you know. Big girls don't cry. Woo!
Is that bad?
They're looking so good.
They are?
Yeah. Wow, is this me? Wow. You can ask me a question like what you did about how I look and how I feel.
How do you feel?
Ooh, I feel glamorous. I can go out tonight. I wish I could.
Friday look. Teaching.
Friday look.
Oh,
That
nice.
fabulous lady.
You look great.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, yeah. I'm not cooking tonight, guys. I'm sorry. Like
2 hours later.
She's here, you know, perfectly made up, you know, like a true modern McCoy. And she's busy cooking up, you know, the sheen, the chicken in the pot. But of course, what you may not have noticed and what you need to take particular cognizance of is the fact that she's fresh to death. Her face is beat, not beat up, because I don't do that, but it's face beat time. You know the dealio. Yeah. Okay, doesn't taste that good.
perfect, actually.